Hello friends, welcome to another video. In today's video, we are going to talk about Forex, commodities, indices and cryptos markets. And I will try to talk about the technical analysis, price action, chart breakdown, potential trading setups and different confluences that we have for these trading setups. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to start with the AUDUSD. Now, as you can see, the market looks bearish. So we will start from here. It's a low, lower, high, lower, 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 low, lower, high. And then the price broken close below this support zone, made a lower low. Then the price broke and closed above this resistance zone. So we made a higher high here. Higher high, higher low. And then now the price made a kind of double top and just got rejected from this zone. So as we can see, like on the left side, that there is a strong resistance zone. As you can see, there is a big move initiated from this point. So there's going to be very strong resistance zone, and right now, as you can see, the price made a double top and getting rejected from this zone. So what we are going to expect in this market at the moment? So now, as we can see, the price already got rejected from this resistance zone. And so if the price, now we are expecting the price to pull lower and gives us a break and close below the support zone. Once that happens, we are going to wait for a pullback to the recent broken zone. And once that happens, accordingly, we can go to lower time frames, H4 and H1, look for some kind of bearish momentum, bearish price action, some kind of bearish rejections in the form of a double top, head and shoulder pattern. That can be bearish engulfing candle, that can be anything, and look for some kind of a shorting opportunity in this market. The initial target profit can be this support zone. Accordingly, we can extend our target profit depending upon the market structure at that time. So that is about AUDUSD. Next, let's talk about New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD also looks very bearish. Starting from here, we have the low, lower high, so lower low, lower high, lower low, and then the price retested the previous high, lower high or same high. Then we have a lower low, lower high, lower low, then price retested the previous high. This one is a kind of same or a little bit lower low as compared to the previous low. So again, we can consider it a lower low. Then the price again retested the previous low and again got rejected from this zone. So what are we expecting in this market? As we can see, the market is bearish and continuously making lower lows and lower highs. So we are expecting the price to break the previous low. And so we are expecting a break and close below this support zone. So once that happens, again, we are going to wait for a pullback to the recent broken zone. And accordingly, if that happens, we can go to lower time frames, H4 and H1, look for some kind of bearish momentum to go short in this market. That's going to be the setup that we can focus on New Zealand USD. On EURUSD, as you can see, the market is in a bearish for some time now. So you can start, suppose, from here, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Then we have the lower low, lower high. Then the price made a lower low, lower high, lower low, then retest of the previous high few times, and right now the price is here. So what are we expecting in this market? Now, as you can see, the market is bearish and continuously making lower lows and lower highs. So in this particular market, we are expecting the price to break the previous low, which is this one. Once that happens, again, we are going to wait for a pullback to the recent broken zone, which is here. So once that happens, accordingly, we can go to lower time frames, H4 and H1, look for some kind of bearish price actions in the zone to go short. So that's going to be the possibility that we are going to focus on EURUSD. GBPUSD also looks very bearish. Starting from here, we have the low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. and right now the price broke and closed below the previous low, and as we can see here, price retested this zone and got rejected from the zone. So it was a very good showing trading opportunity in this zone when the price retested this zone. Right now, as the market is bearish and continuously making lower lows and lower highs, so we are expecting a break and close of this support zone. So we expect the market to break and close below this support zone. In that case, again, we are going to wait for a pullback to the recent broken zone, and accordingly we are going to look for some kind of shorting opportunity on the lower time frames H4 and H1 once we find some kind of bearish price action. So that's going to be the setup that we can focus on GBPUSD. Next, if we talk about the USDCAD, as we can see, the market looks bearish because it's making higher highs and higher lows. Starting from here, we can say high low, high low, high 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 low, high 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 low, high 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 low. So high 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 low, high 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 low, then high high, and then the price broke and closed below these lows. So after that, again, the price broke and closed above the previous high, so we made a higher high, then higher low, and right now the price again broke and closed above the previous high, so we made a higher high. So market looks very bullish at the moment. So what we would like to what we will expect in this market, we will expect a significant break and close above, and then we can wait for a pullback to the recent broken zone. Once that happens, again we can go to lower time frames H4 and H1, look for some kind of bullish price action in this market to go long. That's going to be the possibility that we are going to focus on USDCAD. If we talk about USDJPY, USDJPY, starting from here, we can say high low, high low, and then we have the higher low, higher low, higher high, and then the price broke and closed below the previous low, so it broke the higher low structure. So right now, once we broke and closed below the previous low, so we were expecting some kind of retest of this zone. As we can see, the price retested here and here, and so we already found some kind of rejections in this zone. So what we can expect in this market at the moment, right now we will expect the market to give us a break and close below the previous low. If that happens, we can wait for a pullback to the recent broken zone, and again, once the price is in the zone, we will look for some kind of bearish price action and bearish rejections to go short in this market. Initial target profit can be this support zone. Accordingly, we can extend our target profit to next support zone, which is going to be this one, depending upon the market structure at that time. So that's going to be about the USDJPY. Next, we can check what's happening on the natural gas. So natural gas, starting from here, we can say low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and after that, you know, the price is consolidating here for some time. So definitely we want the price to retest this a strong support and resistance zone. If that happens, we could have looked for some kind of a bearish momentum to go short. But if right now, as we can see, the price is consolidating here, and so if that doesn't happen and the price do not retest this at this time and just gives us a break and close below this support zone, then we can wait for a retest of this recent broken zone and accordingly look for some bearish price action on the lower time frame H4 and H1 and look to go short accordingly. So these are going to be the possibility that we can focus on natural gas. US oil, as we can see, the market is looking bearish as it's making lower lows and lower highs. Starting from here, we have the low, lower high, lower low. It's a kind of same high or a higher high, whatever. So then we made a lower here. It's a lower low, lower high. Then we made a lower low and retest of the previous high. Then the price is right now here, and we expect the market to retest this recent broken zone. If that happens, we are going to look for some kind of bearish momentum to go short once the price retests this recent broken zone. But as we can see right now, the price is consolidating in this zone for some time now. So if the price do not retest this one and just kind of like as we can see, the price already made some kind of support here. So if the price break below this support zone, then we can wait for a retest of this recent broken zone and accordingly look to go short after finding some kind of bearish momentum on the lower time frames. Initial target profit can be this one, and accordingly we can extend our target profit depending upon the market structure at the time. So that's going to be about US oil. Next we will talk about the silver. Now for the silver, as we can see, the market is looking bearish. Low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So lower low, lower high, and then the price made a lower low. Already got rejected here, but as we can see, the price pulled back to this recent broken zone, got rejected, but didn't make a lower low. So this high is still valid, and as we can see, the price retested this previous high and got rejected from this zone. So we had a very good trading opportunity, shorting trading opportunity in this zone to go short. So what we are expecting at the moment, as we can see, the market is bearish and continuously making lower lows and lower highs. So we are expecting the market to break and close below this support zone. Once that happens, we are going to wait for a pullback or retracement to the recent broken zone and accordingly look for some kind of bearish price actions to go short on the low time frames H4 and H1. So that's going to be about silver. If we talk about the gold, as we can see, for the gold, starting from here, we can see it's a low, lower high, lower low. It's a retest of the same high, and then price made some kind of double bottom, and right now the price broke and closed above this neckline of the double bottom, or you can say this strong resistance zone. And also, as we can see, this acted as a very strong resistance zone, and as you can see from this rejection. So what we are expecting, as we can see, the price broke and closed above the resistance zone. So once the price hit this zone, we can look for some kind of bullish price actions to go long in this market. Definitely we want the price to break and close above this. That will be a big hurdle in order to look for more bullish price action in this market. So that's what we are going to expect on the gold. Next, if we check about the S&P 500, starting from here, it's a high low, high 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 low, high 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 low, high 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 low, kind of double top, and then the price broke and closed below. So lower low, lower high, lower low, and then the price broke and closed above the previous high. So it's a higher high, higher low, higher as compared to the previous low. Then we made a higher high, high as compared to the previous high. Then price made a lower low, low as compared to the previous low. Then we made a kind of double top, and right now the price just, I think, barely broke and closed below this neckline of this double top. So what we are expecting in this market, as we can see, the price made a lower low recently. So we are going to again, and also as we can see, we made a double top. So if we break this support zone, that will be a kind of a like break of the neckline of this double top as well, and also it will be a lower low and again a lower low as well. So as we can see, it's a low, same high, and it will be a new lower low. So once that happens, we can wait for a retest of this recent broken zone, and once the price retests this, accordingly we can go to lower time frames, look for some kind of bearish price sections on the H4 and H1 and look to go short. Initial target profit can be this one. Accordingly we can extend our target profit depending upon the market structure at the time. If you talk about the US30, starting from here, we have the low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, then higher low is high as compared to the previous low. Then we made a higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, and same we have the double top, and right now the price just broke and closed below the neckline of the double top. So we are going to expect a significant break below this neckline. Then if the price can retest this recent broken zone, accordingly we would like to find some kind of bearish price action on the lower time frames to go short in this market. So that's going to be the possibility that we can focus on USDCAD. Next, let's talk about Bitcoin. As we can see, the Bitcoin is continuously making lower lows and lower highs. Starting from here, we have the low, lower high, lower 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 low, lower high. And right now the price is around this zone, so we would like the price to give a significant break and close below the support zone. Once that happens, we are going to wait for a retest of this recent broken zone, and if that happens, we can go to lower time frames to find some kind of bearish price actions to go short in this market. Initial target profit can be this one. As you can see, this is going to be a strong support zone, and accordingly we can extend our target profit depending upon the market behavior at that time. So that's about Bitcoin. About Ethereum, so Ethereum, let's start from here. We had a high low, high 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 low, high 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 low, high 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 low, high 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 low, high high. It's a lower low because the price broke and closed below. Then we have a high 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 low, high high lower low, high 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 low, and now we have a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So what we are expecting now, as we can see, the price is consistently making lower lows and lower highs now, so we are expecting a break and close below this recent low or the recent support zone. So once that happens, we can wait for a retest of this zone and look for some kind of bearish price action on the lower time frames H4 and H1 to go short in this market. Initial target profit can be this one. Accordingly, we can extend our target depending upon the market behavior at that time. So that's it, guys. This was the analysis on the Forex, commodities, indices and cryptos market, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're interested in finding out the trading setups with the analysis I did in this video on the daily, 4-hour and the 1-hour time frames, then I would recommend you to join my Telegram channel. The link of the Telegram channel has been given in the description box of this video. In this Telegram channel, I regularly share the trading setups from the daily, 4-hour and the 1-hour time frames from all these different markets which I analyze in this video, and I hope that you will enjoy the analysis and my work in that Telegram channel. So thank you very much for viewing this video. See you in another video. Thank you very much.